Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro convertible. Now as you do know, 1967 was the first year of the first generation Camaro leading up to 1969. But going to our Camaro here, it has a beautiful butternut yellow style paint job, nice black top, black interior, rallies on the outside with the flat caps. Underneath the hood you have a nice fresh 327 small block. Judging from the front stamping numbers, it is an ME code, which means that it has stock 210 horsepower, has the Chevy orange valve covers with the manifolds. Other than that, going up the road now, the steering is very nice with the old-fashioned wheel here. Got the aftermarket style with cassette Pasonic radio, 3 aftermarket gauges to make sure that your car runs nice and safe. Got a nice little quiet exhaust. I want to mention that this is a power top. But a very interesting thing I found about this car was it is an on-the-column car. You know, it wasn't a floor horseshoe shifter. Guess it must have been one of these special packages they had back in '67. You could buy the RS package, the SS package, or even just a plain Jane like this one. But as for now, we're going to get this fine beauty turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see the underneath.